94 species in genus Lindera. August 21st. Lindera, the spice bush, represents August 21st. Lindera symbolizes renewal and adaptability. You have a vibrant energy that revitalizes those around you. Like the spice bush's aromatic presence, you bring warmth, comfort, and a sense of renewal to every situation. Lindera, a genus of aromatic wonders. My name is Vu, and I'm fascinated by the genus Lindera, a group of plants belonging to the laurel family, Lauraceae. These plants, commonly known as spice bush, spicewood, or Benjamin bush, are renowned for their aromatic leaves and berries. They are primarily found in Eastern Asia, with a few species native to North America. As an enthusiast of botany and natural history, I find the diversity and ecological importance of Lindera particularly captivating. Diverse species and characteristics. The genus Lindera encompasses a wide array of species, each with unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological significance. Lindera species play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems. Their flowers provide nectar and pollen for various pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and moths. Their fruits are an important food source for birds and other wildlife. Moreover, the aromatic leaves and stems of some species have been traditionally used for medicinal and culinary purposes. For instance, the leaves and twigs of Lindera benzoin were used by Native Americans to make a tea for treating colds, fevers, and rheumatism. The berries were also used as a spice and for making a fragrant oil. In Japan, the young leaves of Lindera obtusiloba are consumed as a vegetable, and the wood is used for making crafts. Conservation concerns. Despite their ecological and cultural importance, some Lindera species are facing threats due to habitat loss, overexploitation, and climate change. The rare Lindera melicifolia, for example, is considered endangered due to the destruction of its wetland habitat. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these valuable plants and preserve their ecological and cultural significance for future generations. Personal reflections. I am continually amazed by the beauty and diversity of the plant kingdom, and the genus Lindera holds a special place in my heart. I admire their resilience, their adaptability, and their contributions to the ecosystems they inhabit. I believe that by understanding and appreciating these plants, we can foster a deeper connection with the natural world and inspire greater efforts to protect and conserve our planet's biodiversity. In my own garden, I have cultivated several Lindera species, enjoying their fragrant foliage and observing the wildlife they attract. I find their presence to be both calming and invigorating, a reminder of the intricate connections that exist within the natural world. I encourage others to explore the wonders of Lindera and discover the unique beauty and ecological significance of these remarkable plants.